Today I will cover query object design pattern. This query object design patterns belongs to object relational metadata mapping patterns, and this object relational metadata mapping patterns belongs to patterns of enterprise application architecture. First, we will see the explanation of query object design pattern. This is an explanation. An object that represents a database query and can automatically generate queries on the fly based on the context supplied. We will see what it means with one simple diagram. So you can see a query object. This query object represents a database query. This is the object that represents a database query, and this query object can automatically generate queries on the fly based on the context supplied. So what this query object will do is it will check the context, and based on the context it will automatically generate a query. Okay, so here in the left side you can see product dot price greater than 100. So product is one class and price is some one field of that product greater than 100. So this is the context passed to the query object. What query object will do is it will interpret this context information, and based on that it will generate the query. So product is a class, so corresponding this product class, some product table is there in the database. So what it will do is select star from product table, where, so here what we have done is price greater than 100. So where in the product table some price column is there, so price greater than 100. So what this query object is doing is, based on the context supplied, it is automatically generating the query. Okay. uh, and second, now if you read this one you will understand. An object that represents a database query. So this is the object that represents a database query and can automatically generate queries on the fly based on the context supplied. So what this query object is doing is, based on the context supplied, it is automatically generate the queries. Okay. And second point, you can create this query by referring object context like classes and fields rather than tables and columns. So what this query object is doing is, using the objects and fields, it is automatically generate the SQLs. Okay, so it no needs to know about tables and column information. So based on this class and object and that fields, it is automatically generating. Okay, and third point is, this makes queries independent of the database schema, and changes to the schema can be localized in a single place. Okay, so if there is schema change, something is there, then we no need to change all over the place. We can only change in query object. So it is the uh, changes to the schema can be localized in a single place. So single place we have to do the change. And query object pattern is usually uses metadata mapping patterns to generate actual database queries. And so what is this metadata mapping pattern? Okay, I have created a separate video. Please log into my channel and watch the metadata mapping pattern so that you will understand this sentence. Okay, so the fourth point is, query object pattern is usually uses metadata mapping pattern to generate actual database queries. So this query object pattern is worked along with metadata mapping pattern to generate actual database queries. Please watch metadata mapping pattern which I created separately. Log into my channel and watch. Okay, and this is about query object design pattern. Thanks for watching. Bye.